In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align an object parallel to a line in AutoCAD. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to ensure precision and accuracy in their designs. So let's dive right into it. We're going to start by selecting the object that you wish to align. Think of this as choosing the piece that you want to adjust in relation to another line in your design. Once you've got your object selected, the next step is to move a point from it to the line you want to align it to. Picture this as physically moving the object closer to where you want it to sit, a bit like adjusting a piece of paper on your table before you draw a line with your ruler. Now that you've moved your object close to the line, you'll need to select it again to prepare for the rotation process. This is where we start to get things lined up just right. Once selected, you'll want to type rotate into the command line. This command will allow us to adjust the orientation of our object. Following this, you need to select the base point for the rotation. It's important to choose the point where your object touches the line. This base point acts as your pivot, helping to ensure the rotation happens precisely where you need it. Next, in the command line, type R and hit Enter. This step is crucial as it indicates you're about to set a reference angle for the rotation process. With this setup, select the base point once again. Now, choose an endpoint of the shape whose line you're aligning. This is effectively setting the current angle or line you're noting as your basis for alignment, kind of like aligning the edges of two puzzle pieces. The next part is both simple and satisfying. Using your mouse, rotate the object to line it up with your reference line. You'll see it snapping into position, finally sitting parallel, just as you intended. And there you have it. The object is now perfectly aligned, following the path or the line you've chosen. It's a straightforward procedure once you've mastered these steps, offering you more control and precision in your AutoCAD designs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Feel free to review these steps as needed, and make sure your designs are both neat and accurate. Don't hesitate to explore further and refine your skills in AutoCAD. Happy designing!